Welcome to the Now You Know podcast, a podcast that will guide you to successfully navigate the online world and give you, as a super bonus, some thought-provoking takes on life. Without further ado, here is your host, entrepreneur, marketer, professor, and author, Flavio Salza. We are happy to have you here today. Enjoy the show.
Okay, great. So today's topic is about polemic subjects. But before I get into this topic, I just want to actually remind everyone that at this stage, at this point in time with this podcast, what we are doing basically is creating our honesty, credibility online. So because of that, at that stage, polemic subjects are better left out.
Can you just focus on driving? Focus on the road. You've had dozens of shrooms, my friend.
Dude, I was able to perform an appendectomy at age 14. I think I can handle a couple mushrooms.
Isn't that just a TV show?
Jesus Christ! Did you see that unicorn? Its horn was so shiny.
And we already talked about avoiding polemic topics before. Just go and search for the Now You Know podcast, one of episodes about that. And we are doing that because we want to avoid any possible misinterpretation of our thoughts and confuse our initial listeners. So remember, at this stage, you are online again to help out and not cast doubts or judgments, right? So as we progress, then we'll see that our listeners are getting built and they will appreciate our opinion about polemic subjects. When you talk about those polemic subjects online, just remember biased language or political correctness in vogue nowadays. So keep that in mind.
Hello, how about you, mate? What's your problem?
Me? I don't have a problem.
Oh, okay. Denial.
So it frequently occurs with gender, for example, it's a kind of polemic topic, but can also offend groups of people based on sexual orientation, ethnicity, political interest, or race. For example, try not to accept common stereotypes such as the blonde woman or smart man.
That's very funny to me. Y'all ain't laughing though.
How you exchange opinions with your listeners, what assumptions you make or beliefs you assume, it's your choice basically. You make as an author of posting and sharing, so it's up to you to decide on that. But keep an eye on your choices and remember those stereotype thing. So as an action, for the time being, just avoid it, as you feel comfortable to get into those subjects later on, then just speak your heart and be sensitive to other views and opinions. That's what I think. And as a food for thought, I wish you all a happy new year and a better 2022 for all of us. Okay? So see you soon again. Bye.
Thanks for listening. The Now You Know guidebook is now available at Amazon worldwide. Get your copy on paperback or Kindle. You can also keep up and interact with Flavio Salza via LinkedIn and Twitter. Plus, check back weekly for new episodes. Until next time, keep rocking and loving on what you do.